So the car is unlocked, but the boot won't open. So let's try to fix that. Let's go here. In the actual boot, there's a hole. There's so much stuff. But basically that hole is like a safety mechanism, so you can open it if you get like stuck in it, whatever. And now let's screw it out. And yeah, basically the hole it's not the best, but let's see. And boom, somehow I did it. Okay, so the boot, I managed to open the boot, but the boot lock seems to be not working properly. You can hear the engine, not the engine, the motor, but you can hear the motor, but it's like doing nothing, so it needs changing.